be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deep.
Hey, my besties, how you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well in your world, and welcome back to Queen Mama Bear TV. On this side of the YouTube streets, we inspire, motivate, and encourage. I am here to help you tackle the life chores, kids, husbands, work, and all that falls in between. And when life do what life does, I'm here to pray, fight, and love you through it. Now, you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it.
Come and get it, baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it, baby, I'm all yours. Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight.
Hey my besties, so we're into this video. This video is 47 minutes long, which means if you got something to do, you don't have to do it by yourself. And you can use this video as a timer. On top of that, if you have nothing to do and you've done everything that you need to do today or yesterday or whenever you did it, awesome for you. I am so proud that you were able to get whatever it was you needed done accomplished. So for your reward, you can sit back and watch me do all the work. This video is chock full of everything. Anything and everything you can think of is in this video. So sit back, relax, and grab you a snack and enjoy the video. Or get up, set the timer, and let's get something done.
Come and get it, come and get it, come and get it, come and get it, come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it, baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm at the top, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it, baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, come and get it, come and get it, come and get it.
I purchased these little cord wraps off of Amazon. If I can link it, I'll link it down in the description box so you can find it. They work very well. They're just a little, the glue is just not as sticky as I would like for it to be, but I think that's because I decided to wrap it and then move it and play with it before letting it just set in place.
Come and get it, come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it, baby, I'm all yours.
You prey on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like.
Alright y'all, so you see how I was fiddling with this daggone coffee bar. It's just too much for me. It's driving me crazy, and I so cannot wait. I need for my prayer warriors out there to just pray with me about an adventure I'm getting ready to go on. It is dealing with my house. It is dealing with moving. It is something. It is not my forever home, I can tell you that, but it is moving from the current situation into another situation, but we are still in the decision-making process. So for all of you who are out there who are with me on this journey, I just need y'all to pray with me for a little more guidance and a little more wisdom going into the decision that we are getting ready to make for this new house.
Yellow, it hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow.
Now here, as you can see, I'm loading a dishwasher. I don't have a dishwasher. I haven't moved yet. This is a new client, yay for my business, that I have gotten, and we are moving her in. So we have moved in, we have run the dishwasher. That's why I'm loading it up now with all the dishes. Because you know when you move, stuff is sitting in storage, you got to unpack it, clean it, wash it. So I load the dishwasher the best I could. Not to capacity because you don't want to overload the dishwasher. And everything else you see from here will be me washing and straightening things up.
It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehave. You must not know me. You make me crazy. Kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better. Making me lose my mind.
I am sorry, my friends. I'm having technical difficulties with my microphone. I just dropped it and it's now not acting right. So I will not be talking through this video anymore. But if you have questions, comments, anything along those lines, please drop them down in the comment section and let me know. And I will answer them down in the comments.
Lose my mind cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. Wanna let you go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. You like I wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night. Telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies.
Hey besties. So I got a package. It's from Temu. The first thing is this keychain. It's fob keychain. Also got this one to interchange. They're this is a vent clip, so I can put them in the car and attach them as vent clips. I basically got them as cute little decoration for my car. It's a sticker. This is blessed.
Big for your normal keys on it too.
Yeah.
That's cute. That's a trash can. Well, you can keep the black one in the back, unless you just want to get rid of it.
Yeah, the little one, yeah, y'all can have that.
Yeah, keep it in the back. That's cute. It's magnetic.
No.
Oh, no, it's a clip.
Yeah. This clips onto the door. Clip down like that. But mine will probably just sit for a year in the Bible. I don't like that they bent that up like that, but okay. It's a 52-week Bible study for women. Mm-hmm. That's everything.
Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart.
casting dice and roulettes. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down in the rain, all things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Crashing down in the rain, our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner, higher than high we go. A game with no winners, we keep pushing more and more. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down in the rain, all things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Crashing down in the rain, our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner, higher than high we go. A game with no winners, we keep pushing more and more. Crashing down in the rain, all things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Crashing down in the rain, our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Someone told me this ain't love. There's no way you get into my heart. Someone told me gotta move on, keep it together before you fall apart. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love, then there's no lust. Whatever you got, I'm about to give it up. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending. I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting him. I'm not in love, I don't feel anything, don't feel anything. Someone told me, dance it off. Don't you know we're all disposable? It don't matter, break your cuffs. We go on and we will never stop.